don't think it can go in reverse. Yeah, it won't go in reverse.
So when you were pressing the gas, were you putting it into reverse?
I was basically, no, I was putting it in drive, and then I pressed the gas. Now it's in reverse. And now it won't go anywhere.
Lost for reverse.
And now it just went dead, which that's not a good sign. This is in driver 3.
Yes.
Which there's a 1, 2, 3, and a D.
Yeah, it's just different higher and lower gears.
Yeah, I know, but it shouldn't just be in regular D, not D3? Anyway. Now you can smell something burning.
Yeah. So what I would do probably is just park it, and if you can, send me that video. How long have you got it for?
What are you talking about?
This. You just borrowing it for one day?
Yeah, it's my brother's car. He's at the house.
Okay.
So you don't think it's a transmission?
Well, I don't know. Now that reverse isn't there, it may be, and that smell,
Yeah.
definitely something with transmission wise burning. But I'm surprised it's even shifted.
Yeah.
So what I would probably say, until I get a second opinion on it,
Yeah.
it may have ended up being the transmission. But normally, I haven't heard of it being that simple as, like, I believe you, but I'm saying I've never heard of it being that simple as somebody, like, accidentally giving a little bit of gas before they fully engage in the gear, and that causing the transmission to do that.
Yeah, I mean, that's what I did, and I immediately noticed the issue right afterwards. So, like, we'll see if park comes back, or reverse comes back.